Yo guys, back again in the Binance lecture material. So this time we will discuss the function of the complete Binance application on the dashboard. Then in the features, in trade, in the markets, everything, and we will review one by one completely and in detail. We will discuss first from the common function to the other. Okay, so for our crypto lecture this time, namely we will discuss about copy trading. Copy trading, well here there is daily picks. There is a futures mode, there is a spot mode. Well, let's take the spot example first here. There is public, there is private, there is favorites. So this private one is clear, they lock sometimes that uses this there is an invitation code. So you can copy this if you are given a code by the literator. Or the one you copy later like this we for example the public one here there is 30 days. There is PNL, there is search, there is filter and versus and so on. So how do you find a good copy trade? This is me first. I haven't used copy trade for a long time. Yes, this you just click on the 180 days. What is the use if 180 days is clear? We see the consistency like that. If in the last 7 days he had a really big profit, but it turns out that 7 days before that he had a really big loss like that. It's not stable, right? Well here it's not VNL but ROI. Well in this Jesus Livermore 180 180 days the ROI is 519% with assets under management 583,000. Yes, this will explain ROI. Is like the percentage of capital that increases by what percentage like that if PNL later. Depends on the capital. For example, if you have capital of 1 million like that you can get PNL of 550,000. That's better right than you with capital of 10,000 to 50,000. That's hard like that. But if ROI is an increase in your assets like that, this is then for AUM. AUM is assets under management, so the number of people who copy him like that. Here there are $583,604. This is not the number of people but the number of assets that go into his pocket for him to manage. This is 180 MDD. This is the max drawdown. This is the max drawdown, so the maximum drop is at -8.42% with a 3.57 per Paraso like this. There are other copiers like Kuko then, but trades there are 619 traders like that. So if I used to use this we see the consistency by looking for the longest 180 days 90 days, then I look for it focusing on ROI, not on EUM, not on DIHAUM big. This AUM big but he minus. Yes, it's useless. What are you doing coffee like this? Sorry, not meaning to badmouth, but this is just for education. This with the most number of copiers, this 180,180 ROI minus this PNL. This big PNL here, the graph, some go up and down, some are red in this pan LGD, but the graph is red, the arrow is minus. That the main thing. And if you enter this private, yes, clearly yes, there is an invitation code. Yes, if in your favorites just click this star like that. For favorite, yes, then here there is discover then there is trade late. If you want to make a copy trade, yes, here there is a copy of your copy that has a start. Yes, here there are features too, more or less the same method. Here there is a smart filter. There is also a daily fix that was copied earlier. This is your copy list is almost the same as before. How to filter, yes, 11 12 like before. Yeah, okay, maybe that's all for this lecture. Don't forget to join our next lecture.